Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most essential tasks in SSIS, that is execute package task. So this task allows us to run one SSIS package from another, making it useful for organizing complex ETL processes. So we'll see how and what the execute package task is in SSIS and how to configure it step by step. And we will see a simple example where one package calls another. So as we discussed, the execute package task in SSIS allows us to call one SSIS package from another, enabling package modularity and reusability. For example, in programming languages, we use functions to call. So major calculations we'll be using inside a function, and whenever that calculation is necessary, we will call that functions. The same way we can create a package and use the tasks and the ETL processes inside that package. So whenever you want to reuse that package, you can call it from other packages. So usually in a SSIS project, we will break down the project into SSIS packages or smaller manageable packages. And finally, when we want to execute the package in a hierarchical way, we use SSIS execute package task, and we use to execute the desired packages inside this execute package task so that the flow will be maintained. So we will create two packages here. One will be parent package and another will be child package. Of course, we will create two child packages, and for that we will start SSIS. We will start file, new, open project, and we will create an integration service project, and you can give the location and project name, and we will create the project. So inside this project, you can go to the solution explorer and you can see the project name here, and inside that you can see SSIS packages, and here you can see package. You can right click the package and you can rename it as parent package, and this will be the parent package, and we will be calling two child packages. So you need to create the child packages. You can create, right click here, and you can create new SSIS package, and package one will be appearing here. You can right click here and rename it as child package one, and it is asking you to change the name in all the desired files. You can select yes to all, and you can select one more package. You can create that package name as child package 2. You can do the same thing and give yes to all to everything inside the child package 2. So now, since we have created one parent package and two child packages, you can go to the first child package and you can go to the file system task. We have already created a video regarding the file system task. You can create and you can do all the manipulations inside a file or a folder using file system task. You can check the tutorial for the file system task videos. You can double click the file system task and you can create a folder, create directory, and you can give the source. You can get the new connection, and you can create folder usage type, and you can give the path of the folder. And after giving the path of the folder, you can give the backslash and give the name of the folder. We will give the name as child1. Child1 is the new folder from child package 1, and we will select OK. So for child 1, it is finished. Now for child 2, we will go and we will do the same thing. We will create the file system task, and we will do the same operation. We will create a directory here, and we will connect the file connection manager to create folder and give the path, and we will give the name as child 2. You can select OK, and now we have created child package 1 and 2, and now we will go to the parent package. So in the parent package, we can select how this entire project should be executed. So we will do one thing. First we want to execute the child package 1. Then we have to come back to the parent package. Then we have to go to the child package 2. Then once again, we will come back to the parent package. So first we will execute the parent package itself. So we will give a file system task here, and we will create the file system task into create directory, and then we will give the source as new connection, and we will do it as create file, and we will give the path name. We will give the name as parent1 because this is the first task we are going to use execute in the parent package. So we will give it as parent1. So we will write it as parent1 for the file system task. So once this parent gets executed, first what happens is directory will be created called parent1. Next, we want to create a directory called child1, that is inside the child package task. So we will create the execute package, and we will double click the execute package. You will go to the package tab, And here in the package tab, we will go to the project reference. This project reference means, okay, whatever packages are there inside this project, you can select that. Or if you are giving the external reference, that means, okay, the packages from outside this project. Of course, you might be having 5 projects or something. You can, if you want to get the packages from another project, you can use this, or you can use the SQLs from the SQL server also. You can use file system. You can select the file packages from another project. Now we are not going to use any of these things. You are going to use is from the project reference from this current project only. So we will select the package, and first we will select the child package, and you can create OK. And now, of course, we can connect this parent one to child package. So what happens is, first a directory of parent one will be executed. Second, the directory of child one will be executed or created. And now we will do a file system task itself, and we will create another folder, that is create directory, and we will create the directory name as parent2, and we will connect it to here. So this execute package, we can write it as child one, and here we will write it as parent. So when you execute this package, first a parent one folder will be created, then a child one folder will be created, and then a parent2 folder will be created. And now we want to create a child2 folder also. So you can go to execute package task, and you can go and select the child package 2 and select OK. That's it. So that's the way it has been used. Or other ways, instead of doing this parent or child, you can, if you want to execute the other packages one by one, so you can give all this execute package task one by one after another, and you can execute it. So now this is a simple example. So we are going to get 4 folders. First one will be parent 1, second one will be child 1, third one will be parent 2, the fourth one will be child 2. So we will execute this parent task. So now we will go and check whether in the folder any directory is there. So in this SSIS folder only, that integration service project folder is there. We will execute and see how the projects are, or how the folders are getting created. So we will right click to the parent package, and we will execute it. So it is showing that everything got executed. We will go and check it. Yes, you can see here. We will arrange it with date modified. So since the project got executed very fast, everything got executed in 9:58 itself. So as we mentioned, first the parent one got created, then the child one got created, then the parent 2 got created, and then the child 2 got created. So instead of going and creating or going and executing one by one package, you can just select parent package and you can execute, so that all the other packages will also get executed, because we are having execute package tasks. Hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.